Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from INFINIX Note 30 Pro Plus to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about the updates, you can tap on Not Now or Closing right away by tapping OK. Following that, choose Close in the pop-ups or tap on your device's displays. Either way, from here select Send at the bottom left corner of INFINIX and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on INFINIX, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Tap on Got it and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by opening camera and scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you want to input key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and last but not least, hit Receive button. As you can see after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!